Michael, thanks. From youth sports to high school sports, families are busy year-round with team practices, and those busy sports schedules can mean some injuries.
At 7:30, Kristen Tellen walked us through all the things moms and dads need to know to protect their kids out on the football field. Kristen's joining us again from Memorial Field at LaFortune Park with the Oklahoma Thunder football team. Kristen, now you're getting ready to take the field yourself?
I am, and first off, we want to make sure we know I'm getting old. So we've got to stretch. And Rasheed Lowe, he is the coach of the Oklahoma Thunder. He's also a strength coach, so he knows a lot about stretching. And he's going to take us through very important points about stretching this morning. And these are important things to know no matter what. If you're getting out to go for your morning run,
yes.
These are important things to know. What should we know about stretching?
Well, one of the differences that you have in stretching, you have the dynamic and the static stretching. Dynamic stretching is the movement stretches. You should always probably do a light jog, 5 to 10 yards first to get the blood flowing, and then go into things like A-skips, karaoke, butt kickers, high knees, things like that, kind of at your own pace. You don't have to, do it like you're trying out for a team or anything like that.
Sure.
You always do that first before you start going into your static stretches, which is, your right over left,
right.
Your hurdle stretches. Yeah, exactly. So you don't want to do that with cold muscles. You want to warm up first before you start doing those.
I'm warming up.
Yeah.
Because we got something big coming up.
We do have something big. I think we may have us a new player for the Oklahoma Thunder here after seeing
Tryouts on Saturday.
Tryouts on Saturday here, 10 a.m. Thunder, 3-time World Bowl champion.
Right there, the
All
ring.
right.
Coach.
We were runner-ups last year in the new league, the GDFL, which has over 70-something teams, nationwide. So,
We're going to teach me now how to run a route.
Okay.
So, all right, guys, we're getting ready for our big debut here. And who's going to show us what we're doing?
All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to run wide receiver routes. So we have our one of our wide receivers here, Prentice Elliott. He's going to show us how to do a simple slant route against press coverage, all right?
Okay.
So we have KD, who's our DB, always lining up inside foot first is what we're showing. He's looking inside. That means the ball is on his inside foot to his left.
We got about a minute left here.
Okay.
So you guys go ahead, go through it.
He's going to come off, get 3 steps, going to the outside, swim, hands up, catch the ball, go score. That's what we do.
All right, Ron and Michelle, you guys watching? Because here we go. I'm going to.
All right, here we go.
Everybody ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. All right, here we go.
Scoot up some cover. There you go. Boom.
And I scored. And we've got our touchdown dance going on. This is our friend Eli, who's been helping us out all morning long. And he's a ham, I'll tell you guys that. So you want to come out and watch these guys, the Oklahoma Thunder, in action. They start in June. And Ron and Michelle, I don't know. Feeling pretty good about myself. What do you guys think?